Hi guys, I'm back and I have the February 2023 club kit from Spellbinders. It arrived a few days ago and I'm behind on everything, as you know. So in the kit you get a magenta hot foil, which is so pretty and apt for the month of February being the month of love. I think it's so pretty. So you get that, and then to go with the hot foil is the Glimmer of the month, which is called Tulip Border, and this is stunning. This whole plate here creates like line art of like hot foiled line art, if that makes sense. And then there's a coordinating die to cut the edge, so you could have this sitting on the edge of a card, either landscape or, you know, this way, depending what you were doing with the artwork. And then there's a couple of sentiments on here, one that says hope blooms and the other says sending flowers and a smile, and a coordinate, and these are both hot foil plates. And then this is a die that will cut the longest one out, but you can use this to cut the shorter one out as well. I think I've shown that previously, but just shout if I haven't. And then this is the sort of idea on the back of how you can use that. These are some other die cuts from another kit, and then there's that little hope blooms on the edge there. Very pretty. Then this is the Glimmer and Cut value kit, and so you also get the small die and the large die of the month. So this one's called Floral Mini Tiles, and I'm really excited about this because you can create your whole background with these things. So there's like a is this a hexagon? I don't know. A diamond, like a teardrop shape, and this sort of almost reminds me of like Moroccan sort of style. And so you have the outline piece, and then there's a piece in the center that is decorative, and the flowers that are here that you can cut out will fit onto these little guys. So you can create a whole tiled pattern, almost like a quilted pattern or patchwork kind of thing. And I think it's just so cool because you could create like borders on slimline cards, or you know, do a whole front of a card with just a really big bold sentiment, that, you know, like a die cut sentiment or something like that. I just think it's so pretty. So there's that. And then the large die of the month is called Spring Reflection, and it's got loads of die cuts, like flower pieces, an outline, and then a sort of centerpiece, that and then all the extra flower layers that will layer up, if that makes sense. And 3 sentiments. These are kind of like a block form, and we have happy, I can read it, Happy Easter, Thank You, and Hello Spring. And they will fit, if you die cut this little guy, it's like a scalloped square, rounded square, you can then die cut that inside that piece. How cool is that? And you could layer it up in 2 different colors. Oh, so clever. And then the main piece is this big, I think it fits the whole front of an A2. So you've got the sort of layer die here, and then there's 2 different patterns. So this one looks and reminds me of like stained glass windows kind of thing, and then this one's got more of a leafy design. And then these 2 pieces here is where you'll be able to layer up all these flowers, and then add each of these into the center to create this whole panel. Oh, there's actually, I didn't even notice this, there's actually like an oval piece in the center here as well. How cool is that? So yeah, that's just so clever. So this is the sort of thing you can make with this die set, and I just think it's so stunning. So I will bring these to you. I'm just, like I said in the beginning, I'm just a little behind everything. Things happen. So I'm getting there. But this is stunning. like I say, and can make a really beautiful card. You don't have to use the sentiments in this. You could use sentiments from other die sets. Spellbinders always bring us fantastic, you know, sentiments and ways of layering dies, and it's just, oh, so pretty. Anyway, so I hope that you like this. Please come back for more, because I'll be back at some point, and I will share what I create with all of these guys. Yeah, it's been weird the last few weeks, but I'm back, and yeah, I hope that you guys are all happy and healthy, and I will see you guys back here in the next one. So until then, bye for now. Bye.